Okay, professor, how do I get curls to hold on hair that won't hold a curl?
Yeah, I'm gonna need my glasses for this one.
I'll allow it. Where do we start?
The first thing you need to know is that curls will always fall a little bit. The question is just how much.
Yeah, even mine fall a little bit, but what do straight hair people do?
The problem with straight hair is it falls so much, there's no curl left at all.
Yeah, but what do they actually do about it?
They want to do the tightest curls ever, so tight that they look silly right after you do them.
Because if they start super curly, there'll still be some curls left after it falls?
Exactly, because after it falls, they'll look normal.
Okay, that actually makes sense. I can see why you put your glasses on.
But the real question is, how do you get them that curly in the first place?
Well, yeah, so how do they do it?
First, you want to start with a really small iron. 3/4 inch is perfect.
That little thing is gonna make a super strong curl?
Yep, then you have to use a heat protectant with hold, like this Kenra thermal styling spray.
Yeah, because hairspray can only do so much, right?
Right, because this will double the hold you get, but you have to go section by section and make sure to brush it out until you can't feel it anymore.
With what, like a wet brush?
Exactly, and then when you're finished, use a strong hairspray and you're good to go.
But shouldn't they brush the curls out at the end to make sure they look normal?
Not if you struggle to hold a curl. Let them fall naturally and they'll look great in about an hour.